Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and press this down. This is the design, so we're gonna flip it over, press it so it can stick good to the film, because we wanna peel the white off. You ready?
I'm about to get it up close and personal.
Okay. Oh yeah, because this is a little one. So we're gonna peel it back like a potato. Let's go. Or like I say,
Get that good peel. That good peel back.
like a snake. Okay,
We'll grab it with
flash
two
UV.
fingers.
Well, I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so which way are we going? Across the board or up and down?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go across.
Let me see.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta put it so I can see it.
Where can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going. Oops, excuse
Don't
me.
mess it. You maybe you should put it like this.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Ooh, it's spindy. So we're gonna go and press it in. Each and every letter, each and every part of the design to make sure that it sticks all the way through.
Yeah, just imagine like if you
Give it
are a brand, right? You're a brand, and then you have these cool water bottles. Thinking like you can get this water bottle for what?
And it's so
$1.50.
$1, yeah. And I think the best part is the way it feels, like
Yeah.
it raises. Okay, let's go ahead and take off our film. Wow,
There we go.
that's pretty.
That is perfect. Flash UV. That's so cool. So now we have our custom Flash UV water bottle with alcohol in it. So we got to still put something else for the kids, but we'll print something like that later. All right, what else do you want to press on? Oh, my straight out of content. So I'm going to do that next.
You do that one, yeah.